Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. So the first step, you have to simply click on the start button, and from here you can see settings. So simply open up the settings. Here you can see the option account. Simply click on it. From account, here you can see sign in option. Simply click on it. After that, scroll down and here you can see this option in use my sign in input to automatically finish getting up my device after an update or restart. You just have to toggle this off. Now go back. So after this your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remain, so simply go back, and the next step is click on your taskbar here and you can see the task manager option. Simply click on it. In task manager you can see some option: process, performance, app, startup, users, detail, service. You have to go to this startup section and click on it. Now in startup program you can see all that softwares which is automatically open. So simply find the Microsoft Edge here, and now here you can see Microsoft Edge tab and you can see the status is enabled. So to disable this, simply right click on it and click on disable, and after this go back and restart your PC and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.